95% loading. That's the message from Bounty Killer as he teases the much-anticipated release of his upcoming album King of Kingston. The dancehall superstar made the announcement yesterday, adding that, quote, "The scare, the drama, the nightmare soon will be here. You hear?" End quote. The announcement follows the official release of his collab with Busy Signal titled Bang Boom, which trended over the weekend, also with the release of the visuals.
Lyrically deadly in a dancehall. Not the place in a hurry from Surrey, go back to Cornwall. Don't test the ground, Godzilla, me a still a killer. Bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang. The match took them out, we no fear them.
Bang Boom, along with Free Up, a collab with Bunty Garlin, were the only two new tracks to be pre-released from the album. Bounty Killer is yet to reveal the release date for King of Kingston. And speaking of Bounty, he has more to celebrate as the compilation Reggae Vaccine debuts at number 2 on the US Reggae iTunes chart. His track on the project, Mama Gone But Not Forgotten, is dedicated to his departed mother, affectionately called Miss Ivy, who passed away in 2012. Bounty Killer, along with Julian Marley, son of Reggae King Bob Marley, are headliners on the new compilation album titled Reggae Vaccine, released last Friday. Julian, who leads off the album with So High, spoke to E! Prime about being the headliner for the project.
Well, it feels good to be, part of the Vaccine reggae album. When you say headline, when you really put yourself in the headline category as thinking I'm a headlining of an album, but it is very good to be a part of this Reggae Vaccine because it's a great rhythm and there's so many great songs that went to the rhythm, so feels good, Yeah.
The album also features international superstars Ed Sheeran and his cousin Jethro, along with African dancehall superstar Shatta Wally on the Dream remix. Reggae Vaccine is produced by Contractor, also features Jamaican reggae stars Egyptian, Anthony B, Javinci, Wayne Wonder, Mojo Morgan, and many others. Now, production for Mission Impossible 7 was shut down because of a positive COVID-19 test. News broke on Friday as Paramount released a statement saying that they have temporarily halted production on Mission Impossible 7 until June 14 due to the positive test result during routine testing. This, the show's third shutdown, comes months after a recording from Tom Cruise allegedly reprimanding crew members for violating social distancing protocols was leaked.
We shut down, it's going to cost people jobs. Their homes, their families. That's what's happening. All the way down the line. I care about you guys. If you're not going to help me, you're gone. Okay?
Tom can also be heard saying that we are the gold standard. Mission Impossible 7 has been scheduled for a May 2022 release. There has been no talks to date of a delay. I'm Deidre reporting for E! Prime.